Namaste, this is Sri Umashankar. I am in the campus of one of the most holy place in Kathmandu, where we are going to do the Havan and Jagya for the cosmic energy, the universal divine energy to come to this earth. I have come to this place to elaborate you the holiness, how auspicious is the place is, and now we will hear the story from the owner of this place, who will explain about the features of this place so that you can understand what is the importance of this place and where we are going to have this event, this religious or spiritual event that will take this divine kind of energy which will bring into this universe, and mother will be explaining you the part of this temple and how holy it is and how we are going to take this place to the rest of the world.
अनंत शिवलिंग पार्थिव शिवलिंग बनाया.
What she says is that the wife of Lord Shankara, the Shiva, when she was worshipping, she came to a place, she wanted to have a sacred place where she can do the Jagya and worship to the Lord, and she found this place, and from that this place actually started working as an ashram where we take all the holy aspects of the Vedas that is being practiced. The most important part of this holy place, which was established, and this is made of sand. This is very, very sacred, and this was, it is so ancient, people really do not know who actually has placed it here. And for 1,000 number of years, people come here and offer their pujas in order to get their holiness. Says that for worshipping, you need to offer water, and from where the water will come. So she actually again did that tapasya, ya puja or worship to the god, and the god actually has given this place, which is the most sacred three rivers, just Ganga, Yamuna and Saraswati, the three most sacred rivers. From these, the water comes from three sources and come here, and this water is normally used for this yagya and havan purpose. So this is very holy and this is very, very sacred. In 2011 of Nepali year, this kunda is being worshipped. So that is, in our religion, is called Akhanda Jyoti, which means that the fire, it actually lit on their own. So this is the place where the Havan takes place in the most sacred Vedic manner that we can witness now. What you are seeing here is these people are chanting the Vedic mantras of 10,000 years old mantras, which from the Veda, and that is the thing that we are going to take in our event on the Tripurari Purnima, Kartik Purnima day. You can now witness the most sacred mantras of the Vedas, which is 10,000 years old. These pandits who will do the puja is chanting these mantras to do the arati to the god to this kunda.
Rama, Sri Rama Rama Ranakarkasa Rama Rama, Sri Rama Rama Saranam Bhava Rama Rama, Sri Ramachandra Sarano Manasa Smarami, Sri Ramachandra Sarano Vadasa Vadami, Sri Ramachandra Sarano Strasa Namami, Sri Ramachandra Sarano Saranam Prapadde, Mata Rama Mat Pita Ramachandra Swami Rama Mat Sakho Raghavesa, Sarva Swami Ramachandra Dayalur Nanyam Jane Naiva Jane Najane, Ramu Radhamani Sada Vijayate Ramam Rami Samhade, Ramena Vyata Nisataramu Rama Yatasmi Nama, Ramanasti Parayanam Parataram Rama Sadasosmiham, Rame Chitalaya Sada Bhavatami Bhurama Mamuddara, Yavidyate Vidiyate Srutipade Sakti Sadatya Para, Sarvagya Bhavan Dasithi Nipuna Sarva Sai Samsita, Durgeya Suturatma Vistamani Dhyanaspadam Prapya, Pratyaksha Bhavati Asa Bhagavati Siddhi Pradasat Sada, Srishtvakhilam Jagaditam Satasat Sarupam Saktya Sayatrinaya Paripati Visam, Samrit
And this program will be followed by the Havan and the Yagya that is taking place in the Pasupati temple complex, which we have already shown. After this program, this meditation program will take place here in this place. This is called Dwaraka Hotel, and you can see the environment out here. I have been able to get that kind of vibration which is required to get this kind of cosmic energy that we are talking of to get to your body and to your life. So I wish you, and I wish you all the best, and I wish you all the participants who like to come here or want to see the whole event, by webcasting. They will be able to participate and see themselves how the cosmic, by doing this meditation, cosmic energy comes to your body and your life. And I am sure you all will be benefited by doing this meditation practice. Earlier to